Phase 3. Confirm, the finalization stage. 1 to 2 seconds. What happens? Nodes move from prepared to confirmed state, confirmation messages broadcast through network quorum. Slices reach confirmed consensus, transaction permanently recorded in blockchain. All nodes update their ledger's outcome. Transaction becomes permanent and irreversible total. Confirmation time, 4 to 6 seconds comparison to other systems. Bitcoin, 10 plus minutes. Ethereum, 12 to 15 seconds. Pi network, 4 to 6 seconds. Technical guarantees, the protocol guarantees. For essential properties, 1. Consistency. All honest nodes see the same ledger. 2. Liveness. The network continues making progress. 3. Safety. Invalid transactions cannot be confirmed. 4. Decentralization. No single authority controls validation. Part 4. Quorum slices and Byzantine fault tolerance. Question 4. What does quorum slice mean in technical terms? Answer 4. A quorum slice is the core concept that makes SCP work. Definition. A quorum slice is the minimum subset of nodes that an individual node trusts enough to reach decisions. It's the answer to, who do I need to agree with for me to feel confident about a transaction? Example with numbers. Let's say you personally trust these 5 nodes. Alice, Bob, Charlie, Diana. Eve. Your quorum slice might be any 4 of these 5. This means, if Alice, Bob, Charlie, and Diana all approve a transaction, you accept it. Even if Eve disagrees, you still accept it because your quorum slice is satisfied. 4 out of 5, you choose the threshold. 3 out of 5, 60% agreement, equals lower security threshold. 4 out of 5, 80% agreement, equals higher security threshold. 5 out of 5, 100% unanimous, equals maximum security. Why quorum slices matter. 1. Decisions without unanimous agreement. If the network required every node to agree, nothing would ever be confirmed. Even one faulty node would block everything. 2. Tolerance for network partitions. If the network splits into 2 groups, both can continue operating if they have overlapping quorum slices. 3. Byzantine fault tolerance. The system works even if some nodes are dishonest, offline, or corrupted. Byzantine fault tolerance. Byzantine fault tolerance means the system works even if some nodes are faulty. Pi network can tolerate up to 33% of nodes being faulty and still reach consensus. This is mathematically proven and is called Byzantine fault tolerance, BFT. The Byzantine generals problem. This is a famous computer science problem that quorum slices solve. The scenario: 5 generals try to decide whether to attack a city. Some messengers might lie. Some generals might be traitors. How can honest generals coordinate? The solution: honest generals trust each other. Even if one is a traitor, the majority can coordinate through overlapping trust relationships. How this works in Pi. Alice trusts Bob, Charlie, Diana. Bob trusts Alice, Charlie, Diana. Charlie trusts Alice, Bob, Diana. Overlapping trust relationships span the entire network. Global consensus emerges from local trust. Part 5. GCV Dual Value System Introduction. Question 5. What is GCV and how does it differ from regular market price? Answer 5. The GCV system is a revolutionary dual price mechanism unique to Pi network. What is GCV? GCV equals global currency value. The GCV is an internally managed reference price set at $314,159 per Pi coin. This specific number is not random. It represents Pi, the mathematical constant 3.14159. Scaled to practical currency, $314,159 critical concept. The GCV is not the market price. The GCV is not what Pi trades for. On exchanges, the GCV is not what you'll see on CoinMarketCap. The GCV is an internal reference value. 2 completely separate value systems. System 1 internal. GCV system, non-marketable phase, aspect details. What it is: internally managed reference price. The price $314,159 per Pi fixed. When it applies Q4 2025, Q2 2026, transition phase. Trading not traded on exchanges. Conversion not available for withdrawal as fiat. Volatility 0. Completely stable use cases. Internal transactions. DApp pricing. Merchant pricing. How it works. All internal Pi transactions valued at $314,159 for reference. If you send 10 Pi, 10 times $314,159 equals $3,141,590. Internal value. Both sender and receiver see this value. No fluctuation. Completely stable purpose. Ensures price stability while ecosystem builds, prevents speculation during early phase, allows merchants to price goods confidently, protects early adopters from market crashes, enables DApp economics to function. System 2. External market value system, market phase, aspect details. What it is. Real-world market price, supply/demand, current price 22 to 50 cents per pi, November 2025, when it applies Q2 2026 plus, full market phase trading. Traded on public exchanges, volatility significant. Subject to supply/demand conversion, can convert to USD. Euro, and other currencies. Use cases: speculation, wealth creation. Real trading. How it works. Buyers place offers. I'll pay $10 for 1 pi. Sellers place offers. I'll sell 1 pi for $15. Market price moves. Based on transaction volume, price constantly adjusts with supply/demand. The fundamental difference. Parameter GCV system, market system. Purpose: stable internal value, real-world economic value, price fixed at $314,159, variable. Constant change, volatility zero, significant. Trading not traded on exchanges, traded globally, access, only Pi ecosystem, anyone worldwide, function, internal pricing, wealth creation. Risk none, significant. Why two systems exist. The transition problem. If Pi launched directly to open market in Q4 2025, speculators would dominate, price would spike then crash, merchants wouldn't trust accepting Pi, DApp economics wouldn't work, network would be unstable. The GCV solution. By keeping an internal stable value during building, ecosystem develops confidently, merchants can price goods stably, DApp economics are predictable, network builds real utility, speculation is discouraged, pioneers stay committed.